Hi everybody, I'm aboard Freedom of the Seas and I'm going to give you a cabin tour of 8694. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Hi everybody, this right here is a Spacious Balcony category 4B, and I'm going to start where I always do, the back of the door, because that's all your emergency information. So let's start this tour. Okay, as you can see, your muster station is on deck 4, C22. Easy to get to. By the way, on Freedom, you do have your little peepholes, so it kind of gets hidden with all this stuff here. So you do have little peepholes where you can see who's outside when they're knocking on the door. As you come in, you've got your main light switch here. On the other side, you do have two hooks that you can hang your garments on. On the left-hand side, as you walk through the door, you're going to find your closet. Plenty of space to hang all of your items. You even have a little bit of space up here that you can put stuff if you need to. You have your life jackets over on here, and then on the other side you do have some shelves as well as a safe. Of course, we're not using it, but you could probably put a small iPad in there, wallet, keys, jewelry, that's about it. So that right there is your closet. On the other side, you do have your bathroom. This is a standard bathroom for Royal Caribbean ships. It does have a pod shower with your hair and body wash. You've got two shelves. You've got a wand. They are using new wands which have good pressure to it. And this ship does have your clothesline going across there. Again, as I said, this is your pod shower type. You've got your towel rack on top there. On the other side here, you do have your full sink area. On the right hand side, you do have some shelves. You do have a power outlet for razors. I did use that to charge my phone this morning, so it does work for that. It is 120 and 230 volt. They do provide glasses in the bathroom for you, and you do have a little bit of storage space underneath the sink. And as you come out, you do have your thermostat. This room actually does get quite cool in the evenings. In the daytime here, it's a little bit warm because we're facing the sun, but in general, it gets kind of cool. You have a full-size sofa on this side. Very comfortable, I might add. And then on the other side, you have your mirror and desk. You have your power outlets on the bottom. You can see that we're using an adapter for the 230 to plug in our North American electronics. You do have some shelf space on either side of the mirror. You've got a chair, wastebasket underneath. You've got shelves, drawers. On the right hand side here, you do have your hair dryer. It's not corded in, so you can take it and put it into the outlets on the side right here. On the other side here, you do have two North American power outlets along with the vanity light switch. And on either side, you do have 6 drawers total. On the far right side here, you do have a chiller. Works great for chilling your champagne if you bring it aboard, or if you're bringing your wine aboard. It works wonderful for that. And then of course you have your television, probably a 32-inch television. Again, it's Royal Caribbean, so there's not many channels available that are going to keep your interest. Any movies you're going to have to pay for. And on top here you do have another shelf that you can use to store your sunscreens and stuff. And there you have your bed. It is a king-size bed. You can store your luggage underneath the bed if you wish. Plenty of storage space underneath. But on the right hand side you have your telephone. And on the right hand side of the telephone you do have your USB plug. So it allows you to charge your electronic devices while you're sleeping. You've got your light switch here, and you also have a reading light on this side. As you can see, they've made us a beautiful Stingray. On the opposite side, you just have your nightstand with a drawer. The bed sleeps quite comfortable. It doesn't tend to be as hard as some of the other beds. Yeah, enjoyed this room. So this right here is the room. Let's go look at that balcony. Okay, we're going to open the door here. As you can see, you've got a nice balcony. You have large chairs that actually will recline a little bit. You do have a large table, which is wonderful if you're going to be eating breakfast out on your balcony, or if you just want to have drinks or come out here and read. Perfect space. And then of course, as you can see, you've got beautiful panoramic views. Right now we are in Nassau, and you just have great views off this balcony. So how did I like this cabin? This cabin is a nice cabin. There are a couple of caveats to this. It is towards the back of the ship, and when the ship is going into port, you can hear the rudders thrust up. Not really great at 7 o'clock in the morning after you've been out all night or whatever, or in general, if you don't want to get up. It can be quite loud, kind of like an earthquake happening. So it's one caution that I would give you. If that doesn't bother you, I think this is a great cabin. We've enjoyed it. And again, I hope you like this tour. So there you have it. This is a Spacious Balcony cabin, $86.94 on Freedom of the Seas. It is a category 4B. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.